One of my favorite childhood meals was spaghettios, and guess what we're making today? Yep, spaghettios. I use ground pork, garlic, onion, yellow mustard seed. Here's some white pepper, basil, ginger, thyme, minced garlic, some sage, there's minced onion, some nutmeg, some salt, black pepper, and some honey. And 1 egg to bind everything. And then we're going to mix everything together. So I don't want to over mix this too much, but this is looking about where I would like to leave it. I'm going to put it in the fridge for a few hours, and then we will make some meatballs with this. Put the plastic wrap over it and pop it in the fridge for a few hours. I might leave it overnight to let the flavors marinate, and that's it. Okay, now it's ready. So we're going to take a teaspoon and just make them into little balls. Little meatballs, like that. It looks like a heart. Okay, so we put some butter in and a little oil just so it doesn't burn. Some bone broth, garlic powder and onion powder, some parsley, and stir it. We're going to do some nutritional yeast. You can use Parmesan or whatever cheese you have, but I really like the flavor of this. Also going to crack in some salt. I also really like this seasoning from Costco. Here are the seasonings on the back. And I like a little spicy, so some crushed red pepper. Going to stir. And a little smoked paprika. Here are the noodles we're using. It looks like a heart. Once it starts boiling, add your pasta. I just put the entire thing in. I actually felt it sticking to the bottom, so I'm just gonna keep stirring until I don't feel it sticking anymore. I'm using my trusty spoon to scrape off the bottom. I'm going to add a little milk. Okay, I had to bring out the bamboo to stir this. There we go. I'm going to put the meatballs back in. We have some Parmigiano Reggiano. This took much longer than the 15 minutes that was on the package, and that's probably because I didn't boil the noodles first and I just cooked it directly into the tomato sauce. I'm going to add a little cream. Okay, more cream than that. A little bit of cream. Making this really reminded me of making a risotto where I just had to constantly stir it and make sure that it wasn't sticking to the bottom. It was totally worth it though. Maybe next time I will try to boil the pasta first and then add it to the tomato sauce to save some time. This ended up taking about 30 minutes until the noodles were al dente. If it gets too dry before the noodles cook, just add a little bit of milk. Milk or broth. I'm gonna add some more cheese. This was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you get to try it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.